morning or afternoon, depending on when you're watching this video. We are on to lesson 7 of our unit 5. Today's discount. So we did markup, tax, and tip. So that's where you take a percent and you multiply it by a number and add it to it. Today we're going to be looking at discount, where you take a percent and instead of when you multiply it, instead of adding it to the number, you take it away from the number. We're also going to be looking at when you have a discounted amount, how do you find out what the original amount was based on the percent you can figure that out. So let's start here with, we're on page 159, where we have a season pass to a water park. Every month it goes by, you get a 10% discount. So we're talking July, and we're trying to figure out what the price in August is. So the price in July is $52.20, and it's a 10% discount. We like to write it as a decimal because that's a little easier to compute. You can use the percent button on your calculator or right there. Boom, right there. You can just type 10, hit the percent button. Don't forget to hit the second. 52 times 10% is $5.22. Okay, I can get it in my head. Multiplying by 10% is super easy. Just move the decimal once to the left. So it goes from 52.22, move it once to the left, 5.22. So 52.20 minus $5.22 is $46.98. So when we do this, we take the original amount from July minus or take away the discount amount. 10% of that is $46.98. And that's the basic premise of the lesson. In all, you take the percent times the amount, and instead of with tax, tip, and markup, add it, you take it away. So let's look at another example. We're on the next page, 160. It's also called mark down instead of mark up, mark down. A shirt is regularly priced at $42. It is on sale for 15% off. What is the sale price? So we're going to take 42 times 15%. Remember, you can use it as a decimal. You can write it as a fraction, 15 over 100, whatever you prefer. So 15% times 42 is a $6.30 discount. So we're going to take that away from 42. I get $35.70. Don't forget, with money, it came out to be 35.7. You always have to have two decimal places. So since there's nothing there in that second decimal place, you want to put a 0. Now, what do you do if you have discount and tax? So in this case, what you do, first find the discounted price. Second, add the tax to it. So first we have a $15.50 CD, 25% discount. So we're going to take $15.50 times 25%. So now notice it's $3.87.50. So we can't have a half cent. So we round up or down. Half goes up. 5 and above, give it a shove up to the next penny. 4 and below, let it go. The company will not charge you an extra penny. So we're going to take away $3.88 from that. So 3.88 cents take away from $15.50, and you get $11.62 is the new price. Now we're going to multiply a 6.5% tax. Now you don't want to round here because when you're calculating with tax decimals, you want exactly whatever it is. So with that, you get a 7. So in this case, you get 0.7553. So once again, you can only do 2 decimal places. So we're going to round it to 76 cents tax. That third decimal place 5 makes the second decimal place 5 go up to a 6. So 76 cents plus 11.62 gives you $12.38 is your price. Okay. So when you have discount and tip, tax, don't put the tax on before you discount. You're not going to pay tax on an amount you didn't get charged. So always discount first, then you can tax. Lastly, we're going to talk about a problem where you're given the discounted amount and you need to find out the original amount. So what you have to do here is a little bit tricky. We have to kind of write an equation. So find the discounted amount. What we're going to do is we're going to use a little bit of a formula. Remember the part equals percent times whole, okay? So we know the part